Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best instant refried beans is probably one of the most convenient and delicious ways to enjoy the rich flavors of traditional Mexican cuisine without spending hours in the kitchen. In this video, we will explore different brands of instant refried beans, comparing their taste, texture, and overall quality to help you find the perfect one for your needs, whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner cook. Number 5. Mother Earth Refried Beans. These refried beans are non-GMO and gluten-free, perfect for a quick and healthy meal. They're also incredibly versatile. With proper storage, it boasts an impressive 25-year shelf life. Always be prepared for any occasion. It cooks fast, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. Enjoy them as a snack or incorporate them into your favorite dishes. It's great as a snack straight from the jar, or use it to add flavor and nutrition to your meals. Perfect for camping trips too. They are a great source of essential vitamins and minerals. One jar provides a full quart of deliciousness. This is just one of our many great products. Check out our dried veggies, freeze-dried fruits and veggies, and other dehydrated beans and TVP. What we like? It's non-GMO and gluten-free, with an incredibly long shelf life. If you're looking for a long-term food storage option that's also healthy and versatile for various meals or even snacking, this is a great choice. This is perfect for preppers, campers, or anyone wanting a convenient, nutritious option. What people say. Great product for a single person, or for camping type ease no waste. Excellent solution for students and travelers, time saver healthy meal. Made quick, not really salted so it does make a difference to add salt, but left flavor at 5 stars since it helps to season to one's liking rather than already be salty, and some people prefer a more plain taste. Number 4. Mexicali Rose Refried Beans. Busy week? These beans are ready in minutes. Enjoy a delicious, home-style meal without the fuss. It tastes just like homemade. Mexicali Rose captures the perfect blend of flavor and texture. Simply heat and serve. Perfect for a quick weeknight meal or a fun get-together. The perfect size for 1 or 2 people. Get 3 cans for even more convenience. They're great as a side dish, a burrito filling, or even on toast. The possibilities are endless. Mexicali Rose brings you the taste of home, quickly and easily. Try them today. What we like? It offers the classic home-style taste in an instant. If you value convenience and crave the familiar comfort of home-style food without the lengthy prep time, this is for you. It's ideal for busy weeknights or anyone who wants a quick and delicious meal. What people say. Super easy to prepare and only make what you need. The unused are dried and keep well for months. The taste is so much better than canned. These taste like a real good quality Tex-Mex restaurant. They're creamy and delicious and the sort that I always like in good Mexican restaurants. Number 3. Casa Corona Refried Beans. Get ready to taste the authentic flavors of Mexico. These refried beans are quick, easy, and perfect for any meal. We use only the finest ingredients to create a rich and delicious taste you'll love. It's the perfect side dish or a base for your favorite recipes. This family-sized bag provides plenty of beans for all your culinary creations. Enjoy deliciousness without the hassle of making it from scratch. Simply heat and serve, it's that easy. Enjoy a restaurant-quality meal in minutes. They're great as a side dish, a burrito filling, or even as a dip with your favorite tortilla chips. It's versatile and delicious. Experience the taste of tradition with every bite. Bring the warmth of Mexico to your table. What we like? This one comes in a large, cost-effective bag, perfect for large families or food service. If you need a large batch of refried beans for a crowd or your restaurant, this is the economical option. It's a great choice for those who need a large quantity of beans at a lower cost per serving. What people say. These instant refried beans are quick to prepare and deliver great flavor with minimal effort. I've been using this brand of refried beans for years. They are delicious and so fast and easy. I use mostly for nachos or a dip, just add your own onions, cheese, etc. I've always bought canned beans but lately they have all been chunky and dry so I've had to add water or oil. So I decided to try these and they were actually very good. Someone could serve these to me and I wouldn't know they were bagged. I made mine with some milk, but I'm sure just water would be good too. I'm never going back to canned beans. Number 2. Santiago Refried Beans Mix. Get ready to experience the rich, authentic taste of traditional Mexican cuisine. This smooth beans mix is perfect for creating delicious and hearty meals. It's dehydrated for long-lasting freshness and easy storage. Simply add water and enjoy. This mix simplifies the cooking process, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. You'll have a delicious meal ready in minutes. It captures the traditional flavors of Santiago, bringing the taste of home to your table. Enjoy the smooth, creamy texture. It's versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from tacos and burritos to dips and side dishes. The possibilities are endless. This convenient pouch provides a generous amount of mix for many delicious meals. Stock your pantry and enjoy the convenience. What we like. It provides an authentic taste and texture, using traditional methods. If you appreciate traditional recipes and the rich flavors they offer, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who value authentic flavors and simple ingredients. What people say. Super quick, easy, and convenient way to have refried beans, whether you want to make just one serving or feed a crowd. This is suitable for any recipe calling for refried beans, and it's seasoned only with salt, so you can add in as little or as much of the spicier ingredients if you want. Doesn't take up much shelf space either. The taste of homemade, and more convenient than canned. You can make as much, or as little as you want. For one burrito, I use 1 4-cup beans to 1 4-cup water. Feeding more? 2 cups beans to 2 cups water. Easy peasy. They taste like restaurant-style refried beans, but only take minutes to cook. These are the best dehydrated refried beans I have found so far. The flavor is awesome and I love being able to make a single serving. Great product. Number 1. Santiago XL Refried Beans. Get ready to experience the rich, authentic taste of our refried beans. Perfect for food service and restaurants, it's the ideal choice for creating delicious and satisfying meals. Each pack contains 29.7 ounces, providing 23 servings. This bulk pack of 6 gives you a total of 138 servings, perfect for high-volume needs. Designed for food service, they are easy to prepare and save you valuable time in the kitchen. It's the perfect solution for busy restaurants and food service operations. These refried beans are made with an authentic recipe, delivering a smooth texture and delicious flavor. Enjoy a restaurant-quality meal ready in just 5 minutes. They are gluten-free and made without artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. Experience the taste of simple, wholesome ingredients. It's a participant in the USDA Foods Processing Program, ensuring quality and safety. You can trust that you are serving a high-quality product. What we like. It's made with an authentic recipe and contains no artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. If you're a restaurant or caterer looking for a high-quality, large-quantity option without compromising on taste or ingredients, this is your best bet. It's perfect for food service establishments that prioritize quality and authentic flavors. What people say. Just needs hot water. Very easy to make, exactly as typical Mexican restaurants serve. The 1-to-1 ratio of water to beans makes it easy to make larger batches without extra calculations. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.